What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's the dude, Fade Count here, back with another video. Hope everyone who is watching is having a great day today. In today's video, we are gonna go pick up my car. The car is ready, it is repaired. Have not seen it yet, so we're gonna go pick that up, make sure it looks good, and we'll have the car back on the road. So let's go do that. Hope you guys enjoy. See you soon. All right, we are down the road from the car shop to go pick up the car. Just had to put some gas in the rental because I need a full tank, but I am excited. Might not seem it, I'm a little bit tired, but I am excited. Hoping that the car looks good as new, all original, hoping that that's how the car looks, and we will see. There she is. I have not looked at the damage yet, or the repair I should say, but we made it. Back's looking nice. Let's go find out how the car looks. All right, the car is fixed. It looks good. It looks really good. All right, we are back in the Mustang. It's driving well. It looks really good. I'm really happy with the work. Feels nice to get back in the car that, you know, is not wrecked. Yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Just a short little video update on the car. There will be a lot more content with this car coming up in the nice weather. So I just wanted to make this video. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.